The next stretch or mobilization technique I want you to perform is the lacrosse ball to the quadratus lumborum or the QL. Very important with this, the lacrosse ball goes to the lower back, and then from here you want to find a tender spot. The moment you find a tender spot, you want to cross the left leg, if the ball's on the left side, over. That's going to flatten out the spine. Fish around, find that tender spot, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Repeat the breathing 2 more times. I want you finding between 3 and 5 tender spots in that muscle. Now the key here is not to be on the bone. So if you're on the center line of the spine, you're gonna be on the bone. You wanna be off center line, so you're more into the muscle or the fatty aspect of the spine. I'm gonna roll over and show you where I want you to be. I don't want you here. I want you more here. Not here, more here. Again, like everything else, it's going to be painful while doing it. However, if the pain persists following, make sure you speak to your PT. This one's going to be very difficult to do in sitting and very difficult to do in standing. So lying down on your bed, your mattress might be the best place to do it on. However, it's going to be a soft surface, so you're not going to be able to get as much of the release as I want you to.